Hello everyone, I'm Karthi Vignesh. In this video, I'm going to talk about experiment number 3 in computer networks lab, which is router configuration. So basically, we'll be using two routers and we'll be configuring it and we'll be connecting one of the routers to the computer. So in the in Cisco packet tracer, first I'm placing two routers. Two routers are basically, I'm using 1841 routers, which is used in the demonstration too. So first we place the two routers and we connect them with the copper crossover cable, and we'll be connecting the first one's 00 to the second one's 01 connection, which is fast Ethernet. So after just making the wired connection, you can see that the connection has red triangles, which basically means that there is no proper passage of data packets between the two routers. So what we'll be doing is we'll be configuring each of the routers to be able to communicate with each other properly. So first I'm configuring the router 0. So here I'll be going to the CLI interface and I'm gonna start configuring. First I'm enabling the router and I'm entering the configuration stage. After that I'm gonna give host name as O0, which is router 0. After that I'm giving int fast Ethernet. The connection that we are given, that is 00. Basically we are giving that this is the one that we are configuring. After that I'm giving IP address for that. IP address 168.143 and to 0. After that I'm giving no shutdown. This basically means that the router will be up all the time. After that I'm configuring the router 1. We are going to do the exact same steps again. First enabling it, configuring it. After that we are going to change the host name to R1. Then we are giving int fast Ethernet 01, which is the port that we have connected it already to. After that we are giving the IP address. In this one we have to give a different IP address compared to the last one, or else there will be conflicting things. So last one I gave 143. So here I'm giving 142, which will be working just fine. The second IP address doesn't matter because it's just a subnet mask. It doesn't really affect the communication. It's basically the same in most of the routers. And after that I'm giving no shutdown, which basically keeps the one alive. Okay. So after this configuration, you can see that there is a green arrow appearing here, which basically means that the configuration was successful and both of them were sending network packets, data packets to each other. After that, I'm gonna place a computer and I'm gonna connect it to the computer. So I'm gonna connect the router 1 to the computer 1, PC 1. So for that I'm using the console cable. So basically I'm connecting to RS232, which is the console of the PC, to the router's console. So after that I'm gonna check whether the connection was successful. So I'm going to the PC's configuration and I'm going to the terminal and okay. So here we can see that the configuration that we have done in the router 1 is appearing here without even, like, we were initially configuring in the router 1, right? So when we are connecting to the console cable, we are able to see it in the PC1, PC's terminal. So that means the connection was successful and the router was configured successfully. So all these three different networking devices have connection with each other. So that's it for today's experiment. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.